This next recipe in our theme of sensational side dishes features cauliflower that is roasted in convection and topped with a spicy vegetable lentil stew. This dish is delicious served with roast chicken, but it can also be a meal in itself. Because cauliflower is so large, roasting the florets makes the most sense for even cooking. And of course, roasting cauliflower in convection will ensure the very best flavor and texture. And look at the great color. Marinating the cauliflower with some minced garlic, olive oil, and seasoning adds a lot of flavor. And you can even get that prepped in advance and have it done the day before. This stew is a very simple combination of sautéed onion, garlic, chopped carrots and celery that are cooked together with the lentils and some chilies in adobo. Those wonderful chilies that have a bit of kick, but also a lot of depth of flavor. Simmer the vegetables and the lentils for about 25 minutes. Guess how long it takes to roast the cauliflower? Right, about 25 minutes. I used convection roast 375 in my oven, but with the larger capacity ovens, you may have to put the temperature up to 400 or 425. A final touch for this dish is adding a garnish of chopped fresh cilantro and maybe a squeeze of lemon. Another sensational side dish. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.